Chisels are used to cut and shape wood, stone, and metal materials. A chisel is a metal tool that is sharpened and beveled with a sloped edge. The wood chisel is to make openings or notches in wooden-type materials. When using a chisel, you will make an outline of what is needed to be removed in the wood material and then strike the chisel head lightly with a mallet. A cold chisel is used for cutting metal materials. It can be used to cut rivets, nuts, and bolts made of brass, bronze, copper, or iron. You place the blade of the chisel at the spot to be cut, and then hit the chisel handle with a ball-peen hammer. A punch is used to indent metal from an impact using a hammer before you need to drill a hole, drive pins, or to align holes in two parts that need mating. There are three common types of punches. They are the center punch, prick punch, and straight punch. The center and prick punches are used to make small locating holes in the material for drilling holes or laying out the material. The straight punch is used to punch holes in thin sheets of metal.